Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where today, I will show you how to use Google Maps and Thinglink. Let's look at Google Maps first. For this example, there are two coordinates that have been added. The starting point and the ending point. The end point is marked by the red marker. To get the street view of a certain location, drag the humanoid figure on the bottom right of the screen to the map. Within the street view, if your cursor is hovering over a path or street, it would show a circle with an arrow. Click to move towards the direction of arrow. Some places have been highlighted through icons, categorized by the type of place it represents. Click on the icon to see more information about it. To look around the area, hold and drag the mouse. Let's look at Thinglink next. This map have highlighted 5 different states in the United States. The blue with a globe icon with shows a video that introduce about the state. The red with the cutlery icon shows the state's food specialty. And finally, the green with the letter I icon gives a fun fact about the state. That's it for the video, thank you for watching.